Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, October 21st. At 11:30 am we have medium impacting news plan for British pound related currency pairs. Then at 6 pm we have medium impacting news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. And we don't have any high impacting news or medium impacting news for euro related currency pair or US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame. When we look at the past price action in daily time frame, from the support level of 1450, which was around 2020, we had seen the price action continuously trend on a bullish side. Then after testing the level of 2070, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. During this time, we have seen it to take support at the support level of 1680. Then it again started its bullish side bounce back, again took resistance around the same level, and currently we are noticing it to break the previous support level and to continue trending on the bearish side. So in the past, this level of 1680 was acting as a very strong support. Now this long-term support has been breached. So when the price action tries to bounce back again on the bullish side retracement, this support will be acting as a resistance for the future price action. And when we look at the past price action, it has broken the neck level of the double top pattern. So we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend till this support level if the bearish trend continues. So from the daily time frame, it is very clear that it is trying to complete the double top pattern. Let us focus at the current price action. And we know from the past price action that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, since it is trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And we know from the past price action that this level of 1615 had acted as a strong support from where the price action took a bullish side retracement. And currently, although the trend is on the bearish side, this level again will be acting as a strong support for the future price action. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the start of the bearish trend in daily time frame. Till this level, it will only be the retracement of the bullish side bounce back it had made in the past price action. And if it bounces back also, as we already know, this level of 1680 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance level. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the continuation of the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. So, and in the past price action, we have noticed the bodies of the candles to touch this level, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And here also we have seen the doji candle to test this support level of 1622, then to close above this support level. So this whole area between 1622 to 1615 is going to be acting as a strong support zone for the current price action. So only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. So if the price action bounces back from this support level of 1622, next level of resistance is going to be around 1635, 1658 and 1685 in the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks the support zone between 1622 to 1615, next level of support is going to be around 1585, 1544. And current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. Wait for it to break this support zone to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. For 4 hours time frame also, I am drawing a resistance line or a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame also. And based on this resistance line, we can clearly understand that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and every time it tests this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal. And currently we are noticing it to be consolidating within this resistance line on the support zone between 1622 to 1614. Wait for the price action to break this support zone if you want to newly enter into the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line if you want to start trading on a bullish side retracement. Currently it is on a consolidation. Wait for a directional breakout in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and the support zone from the daily time frame. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout in hourly time frame also in order to freshly enter into the trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1626 and resistance level of 1631. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1622, 1615, 1606 and 1598 or 1600. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1631, next level of resistance is going to be around 1636, 1645 and 1653. And although the overall trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame and daily time frame is in a bearish trend, currently the price action in hourly time frame is under a consolidation within this resistance line and the support zone. Wait for a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to freshly enter into the directional trades. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame when we look at the past price action, it was trending on the bullish side respecting this trend line or the support line, and it has given a breakout from this support line to be trending on a bearish side. We can also notice that this level of 1624 is acting as a strong support for the current price action, and if the price action doesn't manage to break this support level, we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement, in which case it has to break the resistance level of 1628 in order to get the confirmation on the start of the bullish side retracement. Let us mark the resistance and support levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish trend and it is trading between the resistance level of 1628 and support level of 1622, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1622, next level of support is going to be around 1614 from the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1628, next level of resistance is going to be around 1631, 1634, 1636, 1640 and 1645. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also on a bearish trend, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1624, next level of support is going to be around 1622 and 1614. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1628, next level of resistance is going to be around 1630, 1632, 1634, 1636, 1640 and 1644. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.